Good morning, Gym Squad. It's your girl, J Marie, and I'm back with another video. Let's get it. Okay.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
What's up, y'all? So I'm back with another video. I know I haven't recorded in a few days. I'm sorry. It just was hectic for me. You know, it was pretty much given, girl, you about to fail VLOGMAS. That's what you about to do. And so I missed the last day I recorded was day 13. And, you know, I did my weigh-in and everything else. So I have officially, since I've started back, I've lost 5.9 pounds. When I first started this year, I weighed 242 pounds. I kept it off. And when I started again, I was 237 pounds, 0.4. Today I am 232.2, and then we have another weigh-in on Sunday. So it's been really hard to stay off of the scale. I have not been working out. I have not been doing the stairs. I have not been doing anything. So I hope and pray that I did not put on any weight this time for this week. If I did, I hope I only did like a pound or two maybe. But if I didn't and I didn't lose anything at all, I'm definitely grateful. So as I have going on is my truly old faithful Delgada. I am making me some Delgada. So today is self-care day. So y'all will see me go out, get done up for the first time in a while. So I'm going to get my feet done, my nails done. Trying to be pretty for the holidays, you feel me? I just want to be cute. That's all I want to do is be cute. And yeah, and so I have that coming along, and now I'm just waiting on my Delgado to get busy and everything else. Gotta wash my cup out, and then I'll be back. Y'all already seen how I made it, but today I'm gonna put cinnamon in it, and I'm also recording for both channels today, so y'all bear with me. I'm gonna try to see how this gonna work out. I might end that vlog before I finish this vlog. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna try to keep up with both channels today. And yeah, so let's get into the video. Y'all might not see me again until I go get my feet done. Okay, see y'all later. All right, y'all, so I'm dressed, and I just have like, so this is the bra that like holds you up, and as you guys can see, it's like really sucking in everything. I got it off of Amazon. I forgot to link it the last time, but I'm gonna link it down below. Today has been a cleaning day, and I should have showed like a before and after, but I'm ready to take Journey to my mom's house so I can go get my nails and my feet done, go back and get her so we can come back home so I can still clean, cook, do all that, and relax before I have to go to work tomorrow. I'm really tired, and I'm just not going to go work Amazon Flex tonight because I am extremely tired. I need to calm myself down and really like relax myself and really take good care of myself. Because I haven't been doing that. I haven't been taking care of myself to the point where I'm getting good sleep, things like that. So I need to take care of myself, y'all. Now put this wig on, but I don't know. I'm just looking a little bit ratchet right now. But yeah, so I'll catch y'all when I'm at the, y'all, I am in here. I'm feeling good. Having me some me time. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. So I finished my nails, but next time I'm gonna get gel polish because the regular polish, I don't know if it's just not drying good or whatever, but it seemed like it's dry. But then when you start to move around, I was putting on my shoes and it just, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I was putting on my shoes and then it got wrinkled. But she had already, I don't know, you cannot tell, but I can tell. But I don't want people like, I guess, all in my fingers, I guess. Because, okay, now you can see it. I wrinkled it, but I didn't feel like her having to go back. So what I'm going to do is I'm about to go to Walmart. I'm going to take this off my fingers. And I'm about to go get me some gel polish. So next time when I get my nails done, I'm going to just tell them, you know, no polish. I'm sorry, y'all. I got my hand on the speaker. But next time I go get my nails done, I'm going to just tell them, you know, no polish. Like, I could polish them myself. And I'm ready to just go and get some gel polish that match my toes. Hopefully my toes not messed up either because I got my socks on. But it was too cold out here to not have no socks on coming back outside. But I got my salad. So now I'm not even about to be worrying about if I mess them up because I'm about to go take it off so I can redo it. So I'm ready to go get some fingernail polish remover instead of like acetone, because I have acetone at home, but I don't want to take off none of my acrylic, if that makes any sense, because I just paid to get my feet and my nails done. So I'm ready to eat my salad that I got earlier. So I am getting a little tad bit hungry, y'all, and I'll come back and I have water, and I'll come back and talk to y'all when I'm in Walmart. Okay, Jim, so let me just tell y'all. So I went to go get my nails done and I screwed up the polish, which y'all seen that clip. Then I go home and I try to paint. I didn't like it, and so I drilled off the polish because I had used a gel coat on top, and now I done shaved it down. What a waste of money. And so now in this hand I got clear gel polish, and now I have to go home and somehow recover these for tomorrow's girls' night. And then I try to fix my toes. Just more of the story is I'm gonna look a little bit like janky tomorrow, but it don't matter. It is what it is. But I'm going to go get a wig from my cousin. And if you don't know who my cousin is the Geo Effects. And he does all of my sew-ins, wigs, whatever. But I'm gonna go borrow some little slight from him for tomorrow, and I'm gonna get him to put it on my head now because yeah, I'm trying to really get into the mood for tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So I bought my tags, everything. So it's just a lot. It's like every time I get paid, it never fails that I go almost broke in the same day. But you know, I'm trying not to go fully broke because you know Christmas next week, woo woo. So I'm gonna try to do some orders. I was supposed to go do an order today, and I did not do that order, which I'm bummed because I should have, so I can get paid on Tuesday. But if they have some next week, I'm definitely going to take some. If they have some after Christmas, I'm definitely going to take some because it is really crunch time. Like, I really have to get the ball rolling. Like, I just be tired when it gets to, like, when I get off work, I clean the house and I take care of Journey. It's just a lot. Like, I feel like I just be too tired. So it's getting dark, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, which I know the vlog was choppy. I know it just was not it, okay? And I haven't even really been at home since earlier, so I really only got Journey's room clean. So now I have to go home and still go and clean and do stuff, and like, I'm just tired already. I'm tired, like, already. But anywho, I'm not even gonna sit here and complain. And I have to go to the grocery store so that I can make my food. So I'm thinking about making some veggies, like some little stir-fried veggies or whatever, with some stuffed chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the store after I pick Journey up, and we're gonna go in the house, you know, take the food out, you know, prep the food and stuff like that for dinner. And yeah, that's basically what I have going on right now. Like, so I'm on my way to his house right now, and it's cold, like a little chilly, whatever, but I'm just rambling basically right now. Like, I feel good because I got my nails done, boo boo boo, even though I messed them up. But like, what, in 2 weeks I'm gonna go get them done again, set the money aside for that, if not sooner. Y'all know how I do. So that's literally that. But yeah, I'm almost to my cousin's house, and I love each and every one of you guys. I'm glad. Oh yeah, and we got a Christmas tree. So in the, I'm probably gonna put a sneak peek in the family vlog. Hey. So y'all gonna be able to see that we finally got a Christmas tree because they threw our Christmas tree away. So now we have a Christmas tree, and now I have to get lights, and got ornaments, but now he wants lights because I won't think about no lights. Honestly, I wasn't thinking about no lights. But we got a 3-foot tree, so this tree is possibly going in Journey's room. So we're gonna figure things out. Basically. But I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for rocking with me, and I will see you guys in the next freaking video. Okay. Bye, y'all.